literally been sitting in the car in front of my office for a bit over 15 minutes trying to figure out the best way to tell the guys at the office about the situation, about the business. So let's go to the office and tell the guys the bad news. Let's do this. Hey guys, quick little meeting. 10-minute meeting. Okay guys, okay. So, I got bad news.
No.
Yeah, really bad news. Okay. The escape room, it's 90% not gonna happen. Because the city, I'll tell you guys as I tell them, the city is unfamiliar with the industry. So we have to start, we're literally starting this industry from the ground for them because the city doesn't know what it is. In order to do this, we have to go to court.
Wow. That sucks.
Yeah. So in order to go to court, it's very expensive. On top of that is any building process. They literally want us to draw out where we're gonna put a fucking book in the room. So in order to do this, we need to generate enough funding to actually go to court to do this. On top of that is, because we put a budget aside to start this business, and the budget did not account for any legal court fees. It did account for city fees for permitting and license, but it did not account for court. And court fees get very expensive. So in order to do this, we have to go to court, and we have to have attorneys, and then we have to have an architect hired. Because we're literally starting this industry for them. So that's the plan. So we were initially thinking about starting May 11th or so, but that's not gonna happen. We can try to aim for June, but we don't even know if that's gonna happen.
Court could take forever.
We have to draft up architect. We have to draft up city plans. We have to tell them the environmental impact of what an escape room is going to do to the environment around us. The environment.
We don't know.
There's no environmental impact. We don't have any waste.
Yeah.
No. People come in, they go through the
We might
maze,
take poops.
That's it.
Yeah, it's like normal people trash.
We take poops. We have less environmental impact in this place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have cardboard here. So basically, okay, recap is we have multiple problems. The risk of spending tons of money, and the amount of money is going to be fairly astronomical to start this industry. But financially, we can't do it. But if we do find a way to do it, then we risk even more than already getting the building. And then if we risk financially, we risk the fact of them denying it after spending the money. So we can get to the point and they're like, you know what, we don't like this industry, we don't like you locking up people in the rooms, we don't believe in it, and then goodbye.
Okay, we gotta grind harder.
So yeah, like Thomas said, we gotta grind harder. Yeah, we grind harder. Figure out somehow to generate funding for this escape room. Still trying to work at the same time, maintain this place.
All right, Rob, bring your short shorts. We're gonna put you out in the corner.
Yeah, so we're all gonna put short shorts on. We're gonna work on the corners, and I'll be your pimp. Okay, let me switch to a cinematic just to feel better. We do have some good news. You guys watched yesterday's vlog. The guys were guessing what came in the shipment. We'll show you guys that. I'm trying to. Ooh, okay, ready? Cinematic. All right, boys. Hold on. What do you guys think it is?
They were trying to guess yesterday.
No, don't say anything. Look at this. All right, boys. Forks.
Fork?
French fork. What the fuck?
There's a shovel spoon? What the hell?
So it's kitchen
You got
ware.
utensils?
Yo, open one up. Open the spoon and open the fork up.
Oh, there's all
This is a
different
little
sizes
toad.
of forks.
Oh, these are good.
How
They're
random this is this shit. Look at this. This one's dope. I want to eat cereal with a shovel. How random is this shit?
Fucking kid.
Look at this. How random is this? It's a wrench fork. I thought it was kind of different. Look at this. It's a wrench end. Weird. Different. Yeah? You guys would use it every day.
Yeah.
I know. I didn't even think of it.
What do you think of this
Damn.
one? Spoon.
I like the shovel too.
It's actually really good, dude. I was
Yeah,
worried
they're
that it
really
was
good.
gonna bend.
No, they're really fucking. They're good.
No, it's legitimate kitchenware.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah.
Hello, random. Okay, so did you guys expect this at all?
No.
Well, I gave the clue on yesterday's vlog was, what was it? You would use it every day. You'd probably use it multiple times a day. Got an idea, guys. So, escape room scrapped. Damn. As of right now. But remember the plan B, or the second stage plan, was the kid center for Iris.
Yeah.
That could come first, assuming the city doesn't want to fuck us over again. 'Cause that's a normal industry. That's like very normal. So we could open that first, and then from there, use that money to fund the escape room. So y'all got kids? Bring them over. We can call it Blackout Baby Center.
Y'all don't got kids? Make some.
Make some. Y'all have kids? Make some. So that's the idea as of right now.
And the lens is actually the same size, but it shoots wider so I could get more coverage.
I like this. This is so nice. Oh, it's okay if it works still. I'll still use it until I die. What's up, bro?
What's going on, man?
What's up? What's up? You have a YouTube channel too. Go.
Yes.
Go. What is it?
Mr. Mister Memo. There you go. Finished here.
So he's with Max Boost. We're collaborating with them for Tuner Crate June month. So he's here picking up mags and paperwork and stuff like that. But pretty cool guys, man. If you guys know Max Boost back in the day, was one of the original automotive comics. So crazy. If you guys have been Tuner Crate members, the past 3 months, we've been putting the original issues inside with special edition front covers with your YouTubers. Randy's been on there. I've been on there. David Patterson's been on there. Cool. Okay, so team discussion. Edgar is good to take Friday off. Think of the My Weekend.
My weekend is good.
So everyone's off Friday.
So we're all hiding in Shark Boy's trunk to go to Mexico?
Damn, that's just racist. Hey guys, so I'm going to Arkansas this weekend for the Beater Bash Express Rally. But I got Billy Bob that's going to be coming with me. He's going to have his mullet.
What is the event called?
Beater Bash, bro. Beater Bash.
Just roll up in a bunch of beaters and try to fucking rally them.
Yeah, so you know how like rich guys do like nice rallies where they take their Lambos and Ferraris and shit? We usually do that, but that's the Southern Express. This time it's the Beater Bash, which is the mid-year one. And they get beater-ass cars. I think they have like an old Cadillac for me.
Damn, you should have taken my Accord.
Oh yeah. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Watch this.
Fuck Omar. You know what? I'm watching Omar's first vlog. This is Omar's first vlog.
Oh shit. Omar started vlogging. So so if you guys want to check out his channel, put it in the description. Fucking can't stop laughing. I put dog ears. Oh, sorry, it's so immature. Anyways, Omar started vlogging. I want to support my buddy. He's so knowledgeable. He knows so much about business. He actually talked about K-Swiss, so it's a huge deal. Watch his vlog, swipe up. Fuck, I mean, go in the description below. Come on, baby. After lunch, and work from home. Wanna do some work?
So Iris and I spent the last 2 hours trying to figure out plan B for this situation. And plan B as of right now is going to be, she agrees to start the children's center before. So initially we wanted to create an escape room, generate money from there. Stage 2 would be to create the children's center. So the building's so big, we basically can split it down the middle. And then Iris can have her children's center with, you know, kids and Aaliyah and host parties and stuff. But now, because we think that situation to kids centers are less strict in the city, we will flip the situation, the stages, and make the children's center priority over the escape room. By that time, the children's center should be operational, hopefully generate enough income in order to invest into the escape room. Perfect scenario, we do both of them at the same time if we have tons of money, but in reality, contrary to what you guys think, we don't have a ton of money. We try to grow our money, so we're always reinvesting, giving to our teams and having fun at the same time with, you know, the whole life scenario. So we gotta do what we can. It's not as easy as it looks, but it's all part of the grind. Hey, it's the life I chose, so let's go. Thomas and I are back in the freaking Ram. Got a good idea about that living room thing.
I know, right?
I'm gonna stick a lamp back here. Just right here as we drive.
Or like if you just had a little like end table built right there, just bam.
Yeah, and this cherry one's good, by the way. We have the couch loaded up, measuring tape. We're gonna go remeasure the building. From there, we're gonna submit new plans to the city and hopefully get approved this time. But let's teleport over there. Cheers. Boop.
Ironically, I found a way to get a 50-foot tape measure.
Oh, what the hell? Okay, guys, we're gonna go measure this new city plan. Iris is actually right behind the camera, so the perfect scenario is we do the new city plan, the city likes it, approves us, boom, we shoot and go. And then later on, we worry about this building. Don't watch me pee-pee. Don't watch me pee-pee. Okay, so end of day, the guys are taking off tomorrow for Cinco de Mayo, and I didn't want to leave some of your packages just sitting at the warehouse for the weekend. So what I'm doing is I'm actually going to drop them off myself. Here you go, I have a couple of them here. Gotta drop these bad boys off. My neighbors probably think I'm so weird, walking home with a damn mullet in my arm, in my hands. Okay, hopefully I do this correctly. Mommy? Yes, mommy. Ta-da! There we go. It's kind of straight, I think. Are you helping me pack, Tilly? Where are you going with that? Weird? Watch out! Hey, give me back my suitcase. Give me back my suitcase. Hello?